Good everyone, my name is Yinka Thanksgiving and presenting with me is Mohammed and Limian. So our project is going to be focused on measuring the internet speed across various platforms to see how our campus network actually works. As we all know, a stable high-speed connection is not just nice to have, it is essential for our daily academic activities to function effectively. However, many of us at UTM experienced low or unstable Wi-Fi, which led us to bridge the gap and look into this measurement method to evaluate whether the connectivity in our various faculty truly meets our standard.
In this project, the measurement focused on evaluating internet speed as an indicator of network performance. Internet speed describes how fast data is transferred between a user device and the internet, and this is measured a bit per second. In this study, we used fast.com to measure the internet speed of the UTM Wi-Fi network. Multiple measurements are taken to evaluate the overall performance and stability of the network. So network speed is measured in Mbps, which stands for megabyte per second. There are two main types, which are download speed and upload speed. The speed can be affected by several factors such as network congestion, distance from the router, and hardware imitation. Okay, poor internet performance can affect online learning, communication, and productivity. True for measurement is required to verify this issue using actual data. In this project, the parameter measured is internet speed and the unit used in Mbps. This parameter is important because it determines user experience, especially for streaming, downloading, and gaming. Measuring internet speed is important to evaluate network performance. It helps detect slow of unstable connection. It also support better infrastructure planning and ensure quality of service or QoS for user.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Now we continue with the methodology and result of our study. So in this study, we use the multi-instrument comparative approach to make sure our data is accurate and relevant. We select the three different tools, which are speedtest.net, Google Speedtest, and fast.com. Using multiple tools help us to compare results and reduce bias from any single platform. To make the experiment fair, all tests were conducted at the same location in UTM or in faculty computing. So the factor like distance from the Wi-Fi access point remain consistent. We also repeated each test several times. This is important because internet speed can fluctuate, so repeating helps us get more reliable data. Finally, all results such as download speed, upload speed, and ping were recorded using the screenshot for verification. Okay, next is the for the measurement procedure. The steps are very simple. First, we connect the device, such as the laptop, to the UTM Wi-Fi network. Then we open the browser and access one of testing tools. For example, the fast.com. Then the website will automatically run the speed test. After that, we record the result, especially the speed, and we repeat the test multiple times to ensure the result is consistent. And lastly, we analyze all the collected data to evaluate the Wi-Fi UTM performance. Okay, next is the result and discussion. So from our result, we can see the speed is different, like 170 Mbps, 180 Mbps, and so on. So the lower that we get is 26 Mbps. I think it's about because of the network congestion or temporary interface at a certain time. So overall, the speed can be considered moderate to high because we can see most of it is higher than 100. So it's suitable to make the activities like streaming or browsing. So for the lower value, is because of the network congestion or the other issue. Okay, so here we can see the result for different tools that we use, such as the speed test.net. We show the maximum speed that you get is 179.5 Mbps. The Google speed test is 189.1 Mbps, and fast.com is around 170 to 170 to 180 Mbps, and the lower that fast.com get is 26 Mbps. So this show the most result are quite consistent for the different tools. Okay, so for the main data cluster between 170 to 190 Mbps indicated that the measurement are relevant since the different tools produce similar result. The stable graph from speedtest.net also show that the network can maintain its performance without major drop. The 26 Mbps result is likely due to temporary issue like interference or congestion, and we consider this as a worst case scenario in our analysis. So that's all for my part. We will continue for another part.
To ensure the accuracy and trustworthiness of the measurement, four things were put into place, which involves instrument redundancy, repeatability, signal stability, and comprehensive range. For instrument redundancy, this involves us repeating the internet speed test over different platforms to prevent instrument bias. Repeatability, these different platforms showed similar range for the internet speed. Signal stability, the various platforms used showed really strong signal stability. Comprehensive range, the report shows a transparent and accurate range of uncertainty, which is really good for comprehensive, for a very good measurement practice. In conclusion, our data shows that the UTM network is capable of high performance, often reaching 170 to 190 megabits per second. We believe the slow speed experienced by some students are likely caused by the distance from the router or network congestion rather than lack of data bandwidth. While the online platforms we use are not direct measuring tools for the internet speed, our use of the instrument redundancy across multiple sites gives us enough assurance to trust these results. Overall, the UTM network provides a verified high-speed baseline that is more than sufficient for academic and project needs. Thank you. In conclusion, our data shows that the UTM network is capable of high performance, often reaching 170 to 190 megabits per second. We believe the slow speed experienced by some students are likely caused by the distance from the router or network congestion rather than lack of data bandwidth. While the online platforms we use are not direct measuring tools for the internet speed, our use of the instrument redundancy across multiple sites gives us enough assurance to trust these results. Overall, the UTM network provides a verified high-speed baseline that is more than sufficient for academic and project needs. Thank you.